Okay, so here's your 5-minute singer advice from the gig. I'm actually at the gig, and sometimes I feel like it's really necessary. As you can tell, it's raining, so the drive here was not easy, and then the setup, there were people where I was supposed to be, and it was a little stressful. So sometimes before I start, I like to just, even if I, like this, have to step outside, I just like to step outside, and I'll do, just some simple neck stretches, down, back. I'll just roll my head around a few times, both directions. I just do a little arm stretching, make sure I'm breathing, make sure my rib cage is breathing. Take 3 or 4 or 5 deep breaths and sort of center myself before I go in. Because if I just slam in from a stressful drive and a stressful setup, then my singing's gonna be tight and I'm not gonna be supported. I'm not gonna have a good gig. So that's my advice. Take 5 minutes, get away from the people. If you have to go outside, do it. And get a little centering going before you start your set. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna go have a good gig. All right, see you all next time.